तो पिछले एपिसोड में आपने देखा कि हमारा एक्सपीरियंस न्यूयॉर्क में कितना बुरा था।
बहुत ही weirdly unsafe लग रहा है।
सो वी आर करंटली इन पोर्टो नटालिस और ऐसा लग रहा है कि पिछले हम 2 दिन से फ्लाइट के अंदर हैं, बिकॉज न्यूयॉर्क आने में वी टुक 17 आवर्स फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू न्यूयॉर्क एंड देन वी हैड टू टेक अनदर लॉन्ग फ्लाइट टू सैंटियागो ऑफ 10.5 आवर्स, 5 घंटे का लेओवर और फिर 3.5 घंटे की फ्लाइट टू पोर्टो नटालिस एंड दिस इज आवर lovely humble place where we are staying today. चिले आके सच में ऐसा लगा कि yes, this is what we were missing in New York. The calm, the adventure, a feeling of being a part of a community.
I got for 7,000 pesos, which is like 600 INR.
Chile had so much character, but उससे interesting है Chile की mythical story. So if you were a cloud, you will see Chile as a vast, broken, long stretch of land. माना जाता है कि चिले का rugged landscape was shaped by a great battle between 2 serpent spirits. Kaikaivilu, who was the ruler of the sea, and Trentrенविलु, who was the protector of the land. Angered by humans, Kaikaivilu commanded the ocean to rise, flooding the land. In response, Trentrенविलु lifted earth, forming mountains to save the people. Because of this battle, Kaikaivilu's waves carved fjords and islands, while Trentrенविलु formed the Andes. वैसे तो ट्रेंविलु जीत गए, लेकिन इसकी वजह से चिले became long and narrow, trapped between mountains and seas. और कहते हैं कि आज भी चिले में earthquake और सुनामी उन्हीं दोनों की वजह से है। हम फिलहाल यहाँ पे हैं, a town which is known to be the gateway of Patagonia.
And we are with Tierra Patagonia. इन्होंने हमें बहुत ही क्यूट सा goodie bag दिया है।
We were driving from Puerto Natales all the way to Tierra Patagonia, our luxury escape near the eastern entrance of Torres del Paine National Park.
Oh my god, we just saw something so amazing. They are so cute. इतनी cute सी आवाज कर रहे हैं वो लोग। What animal is this? Guanacos. Guanacos.
Wow, this property, it costs 2.5 lakhs per night. This is so insane. As soon as you enter, to your left is this bathroom which has a bathtub with a view. And this is the room which is so amazing because we are able to see such good views. आज weather clear है, so we are able to see 3 towers from our room itself, जिसके लिए हम यहाँ पर आए हैं. So why I am already sold is because of everything Tierra Patagonia has provided. There is a backpack, अगर आप अपना backpack भूल चुके हो. This is the bandana for your trail. This for your trail mix, and they also have provided water bottles, which is amazing and so thoughtful. So no matter where you go, this property provides stunning views like this panoramic restaurant or a heated indoor infinity pool.
So Vardhika and I, we have decided to go towards the lake, but before that, as we were out, we spotted this. Do they hunt? The crazy thing about this property is that when you walk down the trail, maybe just for 2 minutes, the property disappears. So basically, if there are hikers who are planning to camp in this national park and they walk across that lake, they will not be able to see this property. They will not be able to know where Tierra Patagonia is, which is so insane.
So in Torres del Paine National Park, there are 2 main trekking routes people choose: the W Trek and the O Circuit. Tierra Patagonia is the perfect base for exploring the W Trek, with the most challenging hike being the trek to the iconic towers itself. And of course, knowing us, you can guess which one we chose.
11 kilometers going up, 1,000 meters of elevation across all different kind of terrains to go reach the hidden lagoon of the base of the tower, from where we could see these 3 pillars of granite rising among the clouds.
So the next morning, the plan was to get up at 5 a.m., pack all the essentials and rain gear, and drive all the way to Torres del Paine Welcome Center.
Here we have the first hour of climbing.
The trek in total is 20 km, with the first 3 km as an uphill start that will take you 1.5 hours, followed by Ascencio Valley, a mix of forest, streams and rolling hills, and then the final 1 km of steep moraine climb of another hour, after which you will be rewarded with such views.
We have reached.
we have a situation. I just got back to our hotel. My legs are dead after 12 hours of hiking. Just took a shower and I saw this message that our plan to fly to Antarctica has been preponed. We were supposed to take off day after tomorrow, but now we have to take off tomorrow because the weather is not looking very promising. I don't know. I was not mentally prepared for it. And considering how the weather is, I'm very scared. What if we are not able to fly tomorrow as well? I'm very anxious, very nervous. I hope it happens. This will be my 7th continent. I'm keeping my fingers crossed.
Back here.
Done for sure.
See you here again, or in Atacama.
Atacama
See,
for sure.
Atacama in April. Kiss you.
Bye.